But to get familiar with task management, you might want a quick and easy way to record your tasks and have them processed and organised all in one go. So what we have here is my Business Hub page. Within that, we have different views of the task database. So we've got one here that's filtered to show only tasks that are in progress, not completed, and reminder. And this one has a similar thing, not completed, status is in progress, priority is critical, and the category is not reminder. So if I click on the reminder section, click on the plus new, it creates a new record in here. So new reminder 2, for want of a better example. And as you can see, as it's displayed in here, that must mean that it matches the filter conditions. So if we open that up, we can see that the category is reminder, the status is in progress, and obviously it's not checked, so it's not completed, which match those criteria. If I click on the plus sign here, new critical case, again, it's displayed in the filter, which is one of those things. Click on open, and as we can see, the status is in progress and it's a critical status. So you can create many views of a database, and by going to that particular view, it will create the record with that particular item. One other aspect I want to show you that is useful when you're managing tasks within a project is to click on the project itself. Within the My Business Hub page, you can see that there is a related task table. Again, there's a filter in that. So it's where the project contains the project name and the category is action. So if I now click on new there, new project action for, I think it's called creating website. It's displayed in that table field. So if we look at the properties, it's an action. It's linked to the create website project, of which it's brought in all of the project details from that. And there we have it. The action is there and displayed within the project. So if you're wanting a quick and easy way of creating all of the tasks linked to a project, you just open up the project item itself, go down. If you've used the page template for creating the project, you'll see a related task tab, and just go ahead and create all of the tasks that you need within it. And everything will be automatically linked so that you no longer have to go in individually and do the linking.